Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting English lesson. Today, I'm going to show you something super useful. Something that will really level up your speaking and writing in English, quantifiers. We're going to break down what they are and how to use them correctly. Don't worry if the name sounds a bit intimidating. That's just a fancy word for words we use to talk about how much or how many of something there is. Think of them as your go-to words when you need to express quantity. Let's start with many, a very common and useful quantifier, and much. These two are often confused, so let's clarify their usage. I use many when I talk about things I can count, things that have a distinct individual unit like apples or books. These are called countable nouns. For example, how many apples do you have? Notice how apples is something you can count individually. Easy, right? It's all about whether you can count the items one by one. Now, much is for things I can't count, things that are more like a mass or a liquid. These are called uncountable nouns. So I'd say, how much water is in your bottle? Because you can't count individual waters. Next, we have a lot of a super versatile quantifier, some, another flexible option, and any. These are your go-to quantifiers when you're being less specific. These words are great when you don't need to be exact, when an estimate is just fine. I can say there are a lot of stars in the sky. I'm not counting them, just noting a large quantity. Or I have some cookies. Maybe it's 2, maybe it's 5, it's just some. But if I'm asking a question, especially one where I don't know if there's any at all, I might say, do you have any homework? And here's a quick tip. A few means a small number, something you can count, but a little means a small amount, something you can't count. So, a few pencils, meaning maybe 3 or 4, and a little juice, not much, but enough to quench your thirst. See? Quantifiers help me describe the world better, giving you the tools to express quantity and amount, whether I'm talking about things I can count or things I can't. Try using quantifiers the next time you speak or write in English. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use them, the more natural they'll become. You'll sound super smart, promise, and you'll be able to express yourself much more clearly and effectively. Keep practicing. So,